Hello everyone, this is Karen and hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about does bulletproof coffee break your intermittent fasting? So, if you like the video related to turtle health related with intermittent fasting, I would like to request you all please to like, share, subscribe so that I will help with so many contents. So here we go, let's go. Technically, fasting means you don't consume any calories. When your body is not burdened with the task of digestion all day, every day, it has a chance to carry out cleaning and repair process that make you healthier. This cleanup and repair process is called autophagy. Depending on your diet, staying in a fasted state can also trigger the fat burning process called ketosis. The good news is that you can still gain some of the health benefit of intermittent fasting. Even if you are not completely restricting calories, if you only consume fat during your fasting period, you interrupt autophagy less than if you consume protein or carbohydrates. So, bulletproof coffee, also known as butter coffee. This beverage is made with quality fats from grass fed butter or ghee and MCT oil. So, increasing medium chain triglycerides like those in bulletproof coffee has been found to support autophagy in mice. So, drinking bulletproof coffee also keeps you in the fat burning state of ketosis. That's why some people call it keto coffee. Like ketosis, one of the ways fasting work is because it keeps insulin level low enough to keep your body in a fat burning state. Carb and protein require insulin in order to be digested. However, fats like butter, coconut oil, and MCT oil don't cause insulin level to rise. To recap, during your fasting window, your body cleans up sugar via process called autophagy. Intermittent fasting may also put your body in ketosis. Bulletproof coffee keeps you satisfied and full without switching on digestion. During your eating window, follow a high fat, low carb ketogenic to reap more of the brain boosting, fat burning benefits of ketosis. So, bulletproof coffee makes managing your hunger easier. Bulletproof coffee is not like a regular morning coffee with cream. When you combine black coffee and quality fats, it makes managing your hunger easier in two ways. You enjoy a satisfying creamy cup of coffee that drinks like a lad and relieves the hangries. So bulletproof coffee is full of high quality fats that keep you in the fat burning state of ketosis and boost ketone production. So wake up to the quality fats in bulletproof coffee before your hunger cravings kick in. You will have the power to resist reaching for that mid-morning muffin or energy drink. You will also feel energized with the vitality to make the most of your day. Essentially, the high quality fat in bulletproof coffee supercharge you in two ways. So, by curbing cravings and extending the fat burning state of ketosis, now the benefits of bulletproof coffee. Besides helping to fill you up and stay in ketosis, bulletproof coffee delivers some big benefit. Suppresses your hunger hormones. When you are in ketosis, your body burns fat for fuel and produces ketones. Ketones suppress ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and increase cholecystokinin, which can make you feel full. Now it comes to stabilize blood sugar. Carbs and protein require insulin in order to be metabolized. If you drink coffee with milk and sweeteners first thing in the morning, it will cause your insulin to spike. After the spike, your blood sugar will fall, leaving you dragging before lunchtime, eating mostly fats like those you get in bulletproof coffee keep insulin level low and stable. Then it comes to help you produce more ketones faster. So bulletproof coffee also contain brain octane C8 MCT oil. This high quality MCT oil gives you quick energy and helps your body produce 4 times more ketones than coconut oil alone. Now it comes to boost your workout result. Now, researchers have found that when your mTOR levels are suppressed, they bounce back up, which triggers muscle building activity. Intermittent fasting, exercise, and coffee all suppress mTOR. When you combine all three, you may see more muscle building result from your workout. So crank up your metabolism. Coffee speed up your metabolism, and a faster metabolism helps you burn more calories and sustain more energy throughout the day. How? Coffee thermogenic effect create more heat in your body. The bottom line is the quality fats in a bulletproof coffee suppress hunger, stabilize your blood sugar and produce more ketone energy. Coffee boosts your metabolism and can help you build more muscle from your workout. And clean coffee beans like what you get from Bulletproof brew up a cup of coffee that tastes as good as it make you feel. So experiment with Bulletproof coffee for breakfast. It helps people curb cravings, stay in ketosis, and burn more fat. Get the official Bulletproof coffee recipe. Want to make Bulletproof coffee it even easier with a scoop of Bulletproof original creamer. Just froth, sip, and go. That's all about the intermittent fasting in this video. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.